This is the Logitech Chorus. It just came out today for pre-order. As you can see, it's some pretty beautiful like over-the-ear earphones similar to the Valve Index. That's what everyone's comparing it. It is $100 and I got to try it last night and today during my live stream of Red Matter. So I played it for about a total of almost 2 hours using these earphones and they are beautiful. So let's just talk about them a little bit. The way that it attaches to your headset is actually, it just glides right on. And it is powered by your headset. So there's this little cord here and that plugs straight into your headset. Now that might be concerning to some people because what if you want to use a battery pack? Fear not, they thought about everything. There's actually a pass-through for the outlet on your headset and it goes right underneath. So you can still keep your battery or your headset plugged into a battery pack. The ears adjust pretty well. So there's a couple of settings here. Let's see how many times it ticks. So there's 7 different settings. However, when you put the headset up like this, it actually puts the entire earphones on mute. Regardless of if you only have one of them up, as long as you put it up, and which is a very seamless and easy motion, it all of a sudden mutes the audio, which is great because that makes it really easy to hear the world around you if someone's trying to talk to you without having to constantly press the volume down button on your headset. So far, very easy installation, really good quality material, $100 price point, which is definitely a little bit pricey, but they're definitely good earphones. And I like the feature of being able to mute the audio by just pushing the earphones up. So overall, I think it's a really great audio solution. However, there is a really big but coming into this. These earphones are only usable pretty much with the Quest stock strap or the upgraded Elite strap directly from Oculus. The reason being, since they do glide on, you basically need a very standard shape on the Quest 2 for these to slide onto. So for example, I have been using the Bobo VR headset strap. On this headset strap, you can see that this is very thick. There's also a pivot joint, so you just cannot put this headset on here. I tried very hard, and I've actually tried it on a number of other different headset straps that I had. Even though Kiwi has a press fit onto the Quest 2, this will also not fit on the Kiwi because Kiwi has that pivot joint, that really big pivot joint, and so basically anything that has a pivot joint or slides on, this will not work with. So depending on which headset strap you're using, you might not be able to use this. Experience-wise, the headset itself is very, very good. Like the audio quality is amazing. I think where this really shines though is when you're playing a music-based game. So with music games, like you can just hear the bass, the music sounds really rich and it's very immersive. Like I loved playing this with Synth Writers, the new music pack from Synth Writer. Like the music just sounds so good and so crisp and it really upped the immersion for me. However, when I was using this with Red Matter, yes, the audio was a lot louder and so that was good, but I don't think I noticed it enough compared to the stock strap. Like of course it's there, but I don't think the difference is large enough as opposed to when you're using these earphones with an actual music game. So overall, I think I'm going to say it depends. Like the product itself is great. It works really well and is amazing. However, I think if you are going to purchase it, if I'm going to recommend if you purchase this, it really depends. First, it depends on what headset straps you use because pretty much this only works with a very handful of headset straps. The Vika headset strap it was able to go onto, but even then I kind of had to force it on. So it depends on what headset strap you use is the first thing. And then the second, it depends on if you play music games a lot or if you care about having really loud audio. But like I said, I really love the fact that it's really easy to mute these earphones. Mixed review, great product. Unfortunately, not compatible. Like if it was compatible with all headset straps, I think that it would 100% be an absolute winner. But it's a tough one because I really loved my battery pack on the Bobo VR headset strap. So anyway, so that's it for the review. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like VR product reviews or just learning about VR in general, make sure to subscribe because that's what I talk about on my channel. And also, if you want to see my live streams, I live stream every Wednesday. So far it's at 6:30 p.m., but we might make it earlier to 4 p.m. Pacific time. So I live stream a different VR game pretty much every week, and hopefully I'll see you there. Bye!